If you wear a lot of makeup like I do, you probably don't want to know how much money you've spent over the years on makeup removal wipes. I know I don't. I've used a ton of them. So I was really excited to hear about this new product. It's reusable, it's chemical free, and believe it or not, you only use water to remove a whole face of makeup. It's called Face Halo. You've probably seen people doing this on Instagram and Facebook. I have. It's an alternative to makeup remover wipes. It's completely reusable and I want to try it out to see if it really works. So what is Face Halo? As you can see, it's like a little round fabric pad with loose fluffy fibers. They're actually about 100 times finer than a human hair. Because the fibers are so fine, they actually reach into your pores and clean them out far more efficiently than, say, a regular face washer would do. You can get 3 in a pack, and each one lasts for about 200 wash cycles, which is potentially 7 years for one face halo. This one is the white face halo, but you get a choice between white and black. The black one is the Pro, which Face Halo says is perfect for really heavy makeup, or if you want to take a mask off because it's quite exfoliating as it cleans. You'll pay $30 for a pack of 3 at Priceline. The price is the same for the Pro pack. How do you use it? All you need to do is wet the face halo and wipe it across your face in a circular motion. You can use hot or cold water, both work, whatever you prefer. Each time you use it, just give it a rinse to clean it. You can also use a little bit of hand soap or something like that if you like. Then once a week, throw it in the washing machine and then it's good to go again. Pros and cons. The great thing about this product is the Pro version and the original are exactly the same price, so you're not going to get penalized if you like wearing a lot of makeup. It's really low cost, it's good for the environment, and low maintenance. You chuck it in the washing machine once a week. In terms of cons, the Pro version is black, not white. So some people have said they don't like that because they can't actually see the makeup coming off. So if you really like being able to see how much it's taken off, that one's not going to be for you. Who will this suit? If you have dry or sensitive skin, you're going to love this product because really all you're using is water to cleanse your face, so it's definitely not going to dry it out or upset it. If you travel a lot, you'll love it because you're only going to have to carry around the face halo itself. You're not going to have to carry around lots of other products and cleansers and things like that. And if you're into amazing environmentally friendly products, this one is really great. It's been estimated that one face halo replaces about 500 makeup wipes. That's massive. Look, having used it myself, I was a bit blown away when I opened the packet. I'm like, that's it? What else do I need to use? And I was a little bit cynical at work, but it is amazing. I often have to wear a lot of makeup for TV. I didn't think it'd be up to the task of getting rid of that because usually I use about 15 makeup remover wipes just to get rid of the TV makeup, and it did it like a dream. I'm really sold on the product. I love not having to buy a cleanser, and next time I go traveling, I can't wait to just carry around one little face halo instead of everything else. Of course, with a product like this, the best thing you can do is try it for yourself. So click on the link and you can buy it below. If you're already trying it, we'd love to know what you think, so leave us a comment.